Protect that line limit. So what I want you all to do is you're going to use your imagination, and you're going to use it, and you're going to create a sphere. And you're going to take that line limit, and you're going to take that line limit all the way under the tool, behind the tool, over the top of the tool, side to side the tool. And in that sphere, we're going to call her your air dielectric. We're going to talk about her a lot, your air dielectric a whole lot. She is your other best friend. I want you to take these principles as far as air dielectric, and I want you to apply them in everything you do, not just Bierer meters, not just using your phasing tools, not just. We want you to really get the air dielectric right here in your head and that understanding. You'll see why in a little bit, okay? So it's so important. You want to protect that air dielectric. Why? Where are your bodies from? Huh? Your bodies are what? Wait, the current, the potential is looking at the ground plane, and your bodies, you're wearing a dirt and water suit. A dirt and water suit, a temporary dirt and water suit. You are a living, breathing ground plane. Not who you are, no. It's your tent, it's what you're borrowing, all right? And we don't want that potential. We don't want that potential to be looking at you. Let it look at that ground, so keep your air dielectric. Again, air dielectric, your best friend.